Hello, my name is Adityaraj, and my video today is going to be an origami video on how to make a double-headed dragon. And this video is for any age and any person who's interested in origami. Okay, so first step, you need to have a piece of paper, ideally a colored paper. It will look nicer in the long run. Now, you have to make a square, and the easiest way to do this is fold one corner into the paper, a regular size paper like this. Then fold the bottom, and then you can cut off that excess bottom part with the scissors. And now the bigger piece will be a perfect square. Now in order to start, you'll take one of the corners and fold it to the other corner along the crease. Flatten it out every step of the way. And now your square will have a cross in it. Now you flip the paper. Then you fold halfway across. Flatten it out again. Open it up. Same thing, but the other way across. Flatten it out again. Open it up. Then you get two sides. You bring it to one corner together in a shape like this. Then you take the top part and just push it in. You'll have a smaller square now. Then you take one of the sides, you go to the halfway crease and fold it in there. Same to the other side. Fold it into the center. Then you flip the whole thing. Next step, flip the whole thing. Do the same thing on this side, both sides to the center. Then you fold in the smaller flap in. Fold it out and do the same to the other side. Open it up. And then you open it in a shape like this on one of the sides. And then you fold in each of the sides into the center. You have to make sure you fold this part nicely, otherwise you might get some rough edges. Then you flip the thing and do the same on the other side. Again, careful to watch the edges. Then you take one of the sides, you flip into the center in this manner. Same to the other side. You flip into the center like this. Then you flip the whole thing over and do the same thing again. And then you bring the edges up and fold it in a shape like this. So it'll be vertical standing. Same thing on the other side. Bring the two edges up. Then you flatten it out and you should have a shape like this on both sides. You now pull one of the sides flaps up, all the way up, flatten it. Then flip it, do the same on the other side, flatten it. And now you open it up and you essentially have your dragon. Now you can adjust the head a little bit to make it more head shaped. This is how we get one of our dragons. And now we need to make two of these. Now once you have made your second dragon, ideally in a different color, we can get onto the step of attaching them together. Okay, now you can get a pair of scissors again, and we have to cut off the wings on the center for each of the birds. So for the green one, we'll cut off its left wing. For the red one, we'll cut off its right wing. Okay. After cutting off the dragon, you need to put glue stick on each side that's wingless like this. And then you stick them together. Make sure to be careful in this step. And after doing this step, you're essentially done. You have a two-headed dragon. And if you want to take it one step further, you could get 3 dragons or even more and stick them together if you want a really big dragon. But this is just the basics on how to start doing this. And thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy.